Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to talk about the best display settings that you can alter, that you can adjust and change on this device. So first of all, we gotta open up settings, go for the display, and here we are. We have some standard things like the brightness level that we can adjust either manually or turn on or turn off the automatic brightness by altering this button. So once it's yellow, the automatic brightness is enabled. Once it is gray, it is disabled respectively. We are capable of enabling or disabling the dark theme and choosing the schedule for it. There is also auto resolution switch, which just basically gets you the automatic resolution set. So for example, it lowers the screen resolution in games, so you will not lose the battery that fast, and prevent overheating of the inner parts of your smartphone. Here we have the night light also, so let me turn it on. As you can see, it basically just makes everything warmer, less bright, and filters out the blue light. So that's a very cool thing to have once you feel like your eyes are tired, you have a high eye fatigue, or it's a night time, but you do not want to enable the dark mode. There is also the color and contrast settings, which basically just allows us to alter, adjust, and change the color scheme. We can choose some of the presets, so standard, warm, cool. I'll stick with standard. And there is also an opportunity to alter this color palette and choose what kind of the color scheme we want to go with. So getting back, there is also this video display enhancement category that allows you to improve video display quality and enjoy brighter and more vivid colors as it is stated right here. This option is also adjustable for each separate app, so you just play around with it and see if there is any change for yourself. Adaptive brightness, basically that's something I've already showed you. It enables the automatic brightness change that is dependent on the ambient light you have around you. The wallpaper settings, here you are able to choose the wallpapers, the source of from where the wallpaper will come. So photos, for example, screenshot, just this one. And after that, you will be able to set it either for the home screen, lock screen, or both. Next, we have the screen timeout settings. The values vary from 15 seconds to 30 minutes. So if you feel like your phone could use the bigger screen timeout value, you can just go ahead and alter this setting. Auto rotate screen, that once enabled, as you can see, rotates the display of your device alongside the physically rotating the phone itself, as you can see. So it basically automatically changes from portrait mode to horizontal mode. Font size, you can increase or decrease the size of the text. Display size, so just increase or decrease the visuals you have at your interface. Screensaver, that's the feature one that you set some certain scenarios for, and it saves the screen. Saves the screen time. For example, if I'll start it now, you'll see that once we put the phone into the charge or dock it, here you have the scenarios. It will it will just basically turn off and show the clock. And here you can configure the lock screen as well. For example, the notifications on the lock screen, so either choose from show or do not show. You can add any text on the lock screen, for example, hard reset. And it will look just like this. As you can see it in here. Double click on the lock screen to turn off the screen, so as you can see. For example, let me try one more time. Or should I Alright, yeah, that should be done from the home screen. So once you double tap at basically any vacant spot you have on the home screen, it just goes locked. So, and there are also other minor settings that you can adjust. And that was pretty much it, not for the display settings, but for this video in general. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!